Step into the flickering world of memory, where shadows dance upon the silver screen and echoes of a forgotten era whisper in the breeze. Close your eyes and journey back to that moment, a moment when you stumbled upon the enigmatic realm of the 1962 cinematic wonder, Carnival of Souls. Do you remember the first flicker of black and white, the subtle chill that trickled down your spine as you were transported into a world that seemed both familiar and surreal? Perhaps it was the haunting melody of the organ, its mournful notes weaving through your consciousness like a ghostly thread, that etched itself into your mind. Or maybe it was the eerie beauty of the abandoned carnival, a place where joy once thrived but now lay frozen in time, as if waiting for a brave soul to unravel its mysteries. And then there was that figure, that lone woman named Mary, whose every step seemed to echo with a sense of displacement, as if she were trapped between two worlds. As you reflect on those unforgettable moments, let your mind wander through the corridors of memory, a realm where emotion is suspended in time and the flicker of an old projector conjures up feelings you thought were long buried. Now, let's peel back the curtain and journey into the realm of random facts about this captivating show. Did you know that Carnival of Souls was shot on a shoestring budget, yet its innovative camera work and atmospheric visuals continue to captivate audiences to this day? And here's a tidbit: the film's director, Herc Harvey, played the role of the ghoulish figure that haunts Mary's visions, a role that forever linked him to the haunting world he created. So, as we delve deeper into the mysterious corridors of trivia and hidden tales, remember that your first encounter with Carnival of Souls was more than just a movie. It was a glimpse into the uncanny, a journey into the shadows where reality and the ethereal intertwine. And with that, let the exploration begin as we uncover the secrets and surprises woven into the fabric of this cinematic gem. Carnival of Souls, a 1962 film directed by Herc Harvey, emerged as a distinctive gem in the realm of horror cinema. Originating from the imagination of Harvey and screenwriter John Clifford, the movie drew inspiration from eerie dreams and envisioned a tale of unsettling psychological horror. At its core is Mary Henry, portrayed by Candace Hilligoss, a woman who survives a tragic accident only to find herself haunted by the spectral figures of a decaying amusement park. The film's monochromatic visuals and atmospheric cinematography lend it a haunting and dreamlike quality. Notably, the film's eerie organ score by Gene Moore amplifies the sense of unease, emphasizing the surreal and unsettling ambience. This low-budget cult classic stands apart through its avant-garde sensibilities, relying more on psychological tension than explicit scares. The eerie central theme of isolation, combined with a sense of displacement, resonates strongly. Carnival of Souls has left an indelible mark on popular culture, influencing subsequent horror films and serving as an archetype for psychological horror. Its eerie imagery and surreal narrative have left an impression on both filmmakers and enthusiasts, inspiring the likes of David Lynch and shaping the trajectory of horror cinema. In summary, Carnival of Souls remains a timeless testament to the power of atmospheric horror, blending an otherworldly atmosphere with a thought-provoking exploration of the human psyche. The enigmatic journey of Carnival of Souls, a tale of resurgence and regret. In 1962, director Herc Harvey presented the world with Carnival of Souls, a film that defied conventional horror tropes of its time. However, its initial release met with limited fanfare, fading quickly from the silver screen. Yet, fate had other plans for this eerie masterpiece. Fast forward to 1989, and the film experienced a remarkable renaissance. After lying dormant, Carnival of Souls underwent a meticulous restoration, allowing its atmospheric brilliance to be appreciated anew. This revival culminated in a proper release in the bustling heart of New York, where the city's cinephiles finally had the chance to immerse themselves in its enigmatic narrative. But the story doesn't end there. Following the completion of the film, Herc Harvey pivoted back to his roots in creating industrial and training films, even embarking on journeys to South America. Upon his return, he anticipated reaping the rewards of his labor, seeking his hard-earned royalty check from the film's distributor, Hertz Lion. However, destiny took a different course. The bounce of that very check was an omen, as Hertz Lion folded in 1964, leaving Harvey to grapple with both disappointment and the unsettling allure of his cinematic creation. Decades later, the late 1980s brought another twist to this tale, as Candace Hilligoss, the film's lead actress, penned a tantalizing treatment for a sequel. Taking her vision to Peter Sobe Jr., expectations soared. Yet, in a surprising turn of events, the path diverged. Instead of breathing life into a continuation, Sobe Jr. opted to reimagine the chilling narrative with a remake, Carnival of Souls. Hilligoss, sadly, found herself excluded from this new production. Carnival of Souls remains a testament to the complex interplay of artistry and the capricious currents of fate. From its initial obscurity to a rekindled appreciation in the heart of New York, the film's journey is an intriguing reflection of the cinema landscape itself, a space where brilliance can both flourish and falter in the blink of an eye. Intrigue, restoration, dashed hopes, and divergent visions have woven a tapestry around Carnival of Souls that captivates to this day. The story of this film is a reminder that even in the realm of cinema, where visions are brought to life on the celluloid canvas, the unexpected is the only certainty. inspiring Night of the Living Dead. Carnival of Souls' undying legacy. Director George Romero once revealed in a 1997 Variety article that the eerie 1962 film Carnival of Souls was the spark that ignited his iconic zombie thriller, Night of the Living Dead. Drawing upon the otherworldly atmosphere and unsettling tension of Carnival of Souls, Romero masterfully weaved a new genre that would forever haunt the silver screen. Harvey's ingenious illusion, ghouls born from a pool among the surreal spectacles in Carnival of Souls. The ethereal emergence of ghoulish figures from the Great Salt Lake stands out. But here's the twist, those chilling shots weren't captured on the shores of the lake itself. Instead, director Herc Harvey conjured this haunting scene in an unexpected location, the swimming pool of an apartment complex near his home in Lawrence, Kansas. This ingenious illusion adds yet another layer of mystique to the film's enduring appeal. The unsung heroes, a tiny crew's mighty work while cinematic spectacles often require an army of crew members. Carnival of Souls defied convention. Herc Harvey, the visionary director, led a remarkably compact crew of only 5 individuals, including himself. This small yet dedicated team pulled off the film's mesmerizing visuals, eerie ambience, and enigmatic storytelling, showcasing the power of passion and collaboration. From inspiration to immortality, Carnival of Souls stands as a testament to the ripple effect of creativity in the world of cinema. From inspiring a legendary director to its ingenious behind-the-scenes tricks, the film's legacy endures, captivating audiences and inspiring new generations of filmmakers. As we delve into its mystifying world, we uncover a timeless tale of art's enduring influence. Eerie masterpiece, unveiling the chilling origins of Carnival of Souls in the realm of psychological horror. The 1962 movie Carnival of Souls stands as an enigmatic beacon, captivating audiences with its haunting narrative and evocative visuals. Behind its chilling allure lies a tale of inspiration drawn from the unlikeliest of sources, a director's chance encounter with a forsaken amusement park. Director and writer Herc Harvey's creative spark ignited when he passed the desolate Saltair amusement park during a journey through Salt Lake City. The park's eerie emptiness and eerie silence wormed its way into Harvey's imagination, birthing the concept that would unravel as Carnival of Souls. Much like the protagonist's unsettling experiences in the film, the Saltair amusement park's ghostly atmosphere left an indelible mark on the cinematic landscape. Harvey's penchant for drawing inspiration from unexpected corners didn't stop there. The story's unnerving narrative found its roots in the film The Hitchhiker, influencing the trajectory of Carnival of Souls. This connection adds a layer of intrigue, as the themes of psychological unease and the unknown entwine, leaving audiences with a sense of lingering disquiet. One of the most memorable moments in the film's finale is the chilling scene involving Candace Hilligoss, submerged in river water. The authenticity of her shivering performance is not an illusion. Hilligoss braved the frigid waters, enduring hours of submersion to capture the perfect shots. The visceral realism lends an uncanny touch to the film's climax, immersing viewers deeper into its eerie narrative. As the film's final scenes unfold, attentive viewers might notice an actress lying alongside Hilligoss, visibly trembling from the cold water. This unintentional yet serendipitous detail underscores the lengths to which the cast went to bring this atmospheric masterpiece to life. In the annals of horror cinema, Carnival of Souls remains a testament to the power of inspiration found in the mundane and the chilling magic crafted by dedicated artists. Harvey's chance encounter with Saltair Amusement Park birthed a narrative that continues to echo through the corridors of cinematic history, forever solidifying its place in the pantheon of psychological thrillers. Eerie masterpiece, unveiling the chilling origins of Carnival of Souls. As the ethereal curtain falls on our exploration of the enigmatic Carnival of Souls, the echoes of its haunting melodies and eerie apparitions linger in the corners of your mind. Just as Mary Henry wandered through a world teetering between reality and the supernatural, you, too, have embarked on a journey that transcends the ordinary. In the dance between life and death, between the tangible and the ethereal, Carnival of Souls remains a timeless masterpiece that beckons you to question the boundaries of perception and existence. Its black and white aesthetics, haunting organ music, and the ghostly visage of the abandoned pavilion intertwine to etch an indelible mark upon your thoughts. As the final frames flicker in your mind's eye, I invite you to take a moment to reflect upon your own connection with this cinematic marvel. Did its otherworldly atmosphere resonate with a hidden part of your soul? Have you ever felt the tug of an inexplicable force drawing you towards the unknown, just as it did for Mary? Whether it's your favorite scene that still sends shivers down your spine, or a lingering question that has been your companion since you first watched, your unique perspective adds to the intricate mosaic of interpretations that this film has inspired. So, let your thoughts flow like the haunting melodies of that organ, and share your insights with fellow travelers who've been enchanted by the same spectral carnival. Your voice becomes a part of the enigma, the legacy that endures through time. Thank you for venturing into the enigmatic world of Carnival of Souls, for delving into the depths of your own consciousness alongside Mary Henry. Your time and curiosity are cherished. Keep the conversation alive, keep the mysteries unraveling, and let the connection linger. Reflect, share, and marvel. And as you do, remember, it's a story of more than just souls, it's a story of you.